Tariff recovery at the speed of AI. How Authentica's AI agents audit entries, file corrections, and recover funds autonomously. $170 billion in tariff refunds, 34 million customs entries. And every day, entries are liquidating and protest windows are expiring, making recovery harder and more expensive. Recovering what you're owed means sorting thousands of HTS lines, tracking shifting deadlines, and compiling documentation across multiple pathways. Your team has a business to run. Authentica's tariff recovery agents were built for exactly this moment, stress-tested for scale, and already filing recoveries for clients today. First, upload your entry data. Bulk exports from ACE, files from your broker, or individual entries. Our agents analyze every line. They isolate IEEPA specific duties, calculate your eligible refund amount, and classify each entry by recovery pathway. Post summary corrections for unliquidated entries, formal protests for liquidated ones, and litigation dossiers for entries past the protest window. All prioritized by deadline urgency. Then they assemble submission-ready documentation in whatever format your broker or trade counsel requires. Authentica agents bundle filings by tariff line to reduce the number of submissions and lower costs. When documentation is ready, the agent can draft an email and send it directly to your broker, or request approval before sending from the appropriate team member. And of course, every action is fully auditable. You can review how the agent reached each conclusion through Authentica's story mode, a first-of-its-kind view into agent reasoning, decisions, and workflow. And when refunds arrive, they reconcile every payment against your claims. With our agents working as part of your team, Authentica delivers faster filings, lower costs, and so much more. Because tariff recovery is just the start.